In the flow of modern civilization, agriculture is no longer a solitary struggle between man and nature. It has become a symphony of heavy machinery and artificial intelligence. With the goal of feeding billions, technology is enabling us to unlock the full potential of every acre, transforming vast fields into open-air factories, operating with absolute precision. A prime example is the potato harvest, where massive harvesters like the Grim Baratron take center stage. Equipped with intelligent digging blades, these machines gently lift the entire soil bed, passing it over vibrating belts to shake off dirt and rocks. Meanwhile, advanced optical sensors distinguish between tubers and stones, automatically sorting the crop to ensure hundreds of tons are harvested daily without a single scratch on their delicate skins. This technological sophistication extends to the world-renowned vineyards from France to California, where over-the-road grape harvesters have replaced thousands of
manual laborers. By using soft plastic shaking rods to gently vibrate the vines, these machines collect the fruit into catching trays while powerful fans instantly blow away leaves and debris. This efficiency even allows for harvesting at night when temperatures are lower, preserving the delicate flavor profile of the grapes. Simultaneously, across the golden wheat belts of Australia and Canada, combined harvesters perform a triple feat, cutting the stalks, threshing to separate the grain, and cleaning the crop all at once. Guided by auto-steer GPS, farmers can navigate these behemoths with centimeter-level accuracy, eliminating overlap and significantly cutting fuel costs. The innovation doesn't stop at ground level. The skies above modern farms are now the domain of unmanned aerial vehicles, or drones. Equipped with multispectral cameras, these drones scan entire estates from above to detect early signs of water stress or pest outbreaks, while underground moisture sensors help. Optimize irrigation by up to 40%. For fragile crops like strawberries and blueberries, robotic harvesters featuring computer vision and soft silicone grippers are beginning to replace human hands, ensuring only the ripest fruit reaches premium supermarket shelves. Finally, the magic of smart greenhouses has made cultivation possible even in the middle of deserts or polar regions through computer-controlled hydroponic systems. Technology is doing more than just boosting yields. It is rewriting the very definition of agriculture, transforming it into a high-tech science for the sustainable future of humanity. Autonomous future. We are witnessing the rise of fully autonomous farm swarms, fleets of small, solar-powered robots that live in the fields year-round. Unlike heavy machinery that can compact and damage the soil, these nimble units work in tandem to pull weeds mechanically without a single drop of herbicide, maintaining the delicate balance of the ecosystem. At the heart of this operation is the digital twin of the farm, a virtual replica where every plant is tracked from seed to shelf. Farmers no longer just till the land, they manage data, using AI to predict yield outcomes weeks in advance and adjusting nutrients in real time through precision fertigation systems. Furthermore, the revolution is turning waste into wealth. Modern harvesters are now being equipped with integrated biomass processors that grind crop residues, like corn husks or wheat straw, and inject them back into the earth as biochar or convert them into on-site biofuel. This closed-loop approach ensures that for every ton of produce extracted, the vitality of the soil is replenished rather than depleted. As we look toward the horizon, the integration of 5G and satellite connectivity means that even the most remote corners of the globe can benefit from these advancements. Agriculture has officially transcended the limits of physical labor, becoming a high-stakes arena of sustainability where technology doesn't just feed the world, it heals the planet. Following the monumental achievements in harvesting and planting, the modern agricultural revolution is venturing into an even more ambitious phase, the era of total autonomy and sustainable resource management. No longer confined to gargantuan machinery, the future of food is being redefined by armies of small-scale swarm robotics. Moving away from 40-ton rigs that risk compacting and destroying the soil's microbial structure, smart farms are now piloting fleets of solar-powered autonomous units. Operating 24/7, these robots utilize deep learning algorithms to identify individual weeds and neutralize them with high-precision lasers or micromechanical cutters. This innovation eliminates the need for chemical herbicides, restoring the purity of our groundwater and the integrity of our ecosystems. Deep within the command centers of industrial-scale estates lies the concept of the digital twin. This is no longer the realm of science fiction. Every field now has a virtual counterpart. In the cloud. Through a network of thousands of Internet of Things, IoT sensors, embedded in the soil and mounted on drones, data regarding pH levels, nitrogen content, moisture, and temperature are updated in real time. The modern farmer can sit in a control room and monitor the growth trajectory of a single plant miles away. Artificial intelligence analyzes decades of historical weather patterns to provide accurate, predictive harvests, forecasting yields or disease outbreaks months before the season ends. This prophetic capability minimizes economic risk and ensures the global food supply chain remains resilient against the harsh volatility of climate change. Another game-changing frontier is circular agriculture and regenerative technology. Next-generation combine harvesters do more than just bring grain to the silo. They act as mobile, biological processing plants. Crop residues, such as corn husks, wheat straw, or rice hulls, are no longer discarded or burned, causing pollution. Instead, they are pulverized, mixed with microbial enzymes by the machine, and injected back into the earth as nutrient-rich organic fertilizer. Some advanced systems can even convert agricultural waste into on-site biofuel to power the very machines performing the work. This closed-loop process ensures that for every calorie of nutrition extracted from the earth, the soil is adequately replenished, transforming agriculture from an extractive industry into one of ecological restoration. Looking toward our congested urban centers, technology is moving agriculture indoors through vertical farming. Here, we have completely decoupled crop production from the limitations of soil and natural sunlight. LED arrays with custom fine-tuned light spectrums allow plants to photosynthesize optimally 24 hours a day. accelerating growth rates by 3 to 4 times compared to traditional methods. Aeroponic systems, which mist nutrients directly onto exposed roots, save up to 95% of the water used in conventional farming. This is the definitive answer to the food security challenges of megacities, where fresh produce is grown at the point of consumption, slashing thousands of miles of transport and significantly reducing the carbon footprint of the logistics industry. Ultimately, global connectivity via 5G and high-bandwidth satellite constellations such as Starlink is erasing the divide between remote rural areas and technological hubs. A smallholder farmer in the distant reaches of Vietnam or Africa now has access to the same data and cultivation techniques as a massive estate owner in Iowa. Technology does more than just drive profit, it fosters equity. It empowers humanity to confront the greatest challenge of the 21st century, feeding a population soaring toward 10 billion without scarring the planet. We stand at a new threshold where agriculture is no longer just the act of sowing seeds. It is the high-tech orchestration of life itself, turning every harvest into a giant leap for humanity towards sustainable prosperity. pleasure to be your creative partner in exploring the fascinating world of modern agricultural technology. I hope the content we've developed together provides you with valuable insights, whether for your professional projects, academic research, or simply to satisfy your curiosity about how our world is changing. I am always here to help you refine, translate, or expand upon these ideas to ensure they meet your needs perfectly.